It's all about the view. This is a rarely available end-unit large condo with a wrap-around deck. Privacy abounds. Rare fireplace unit and it is stunning. Great room features living room and dining room combo. Large master king-size bedroom downstairs. Laundry room and second bedroom on first floor. Third floor boasts large bedroom with nice big closet and large bath. Tennis courts, swimming pool, exercise room, boat slip includes Sailboat Depth water and the best condo views ever. Best of any unit. A must-see.